Last stand right now at 98. I mentioned this to you guys earlier. Here's another order defending this. If he fails here, that's big. Doesn't look like they're gonna hold this to me. But let's see. To me, it looks like this is coming more down, but yep. Yeah, I took a short. Now we gotta lose this. We're coming up to that, remember, weekly VWAP, right? There's a high chance if we lose that 90.75, we're gonna dump all the way down to 5965 today. See what they got in store. It's a big level here. Delta, look at the absorption, guys. Are you guys paying attention? 3,000 positive to 400. It's telling you somebody's selling the crap out of this. Still short. It's gonna hit 90.75 right now. Comes. Should be tapping it perfectly here. Boom, 90.75. Thank you, fellas. Beautiful. Still short, but I'm trailing now. Next level is 87.75. Should be quick if they don't reclaim it. And 87.75, tap perfectly. Next is 84.25. 84.25 incoming. I'm trailing here. I'm out. Alrighty. That was quick.
You make it look easy.
That's the point. You gotta be, it has to be easy. They just reclaimed the weekly VWAP here, but just FYI. Come on, 84.25. Come on, bad boys, bad boys. Here comes 84.25. I'm out of the short, but I don't mind getting back in. I'm looking at Apple. Come on, Apple, why are you bouncing? Right off 239.56. That's the level they gotta lose, but they will lose it. Here comes 84.25. We're going lower.
Sorry, did you cover those Apple puts? Or still in them?
Oh, still in them, man. I want to be in the money. They're gonna give it to us. So 3 months SIG 1 is right here, guys. It just is not a short option right now, but settle price is a 78, so let's see what they do. And this is getting really nasty here. How's ad doing? Oh, ads. Yeah, ad pumped and dumped. Oh my god, 78. Damn it. Should be offering a bounce here soon. Like right here should be a bounce, but I wouldn't buy this. I wouldn't buy this. This looks bloody to 65, guys. I think we're gonna dump here another 20 points. Watch this imbalance that they have on 30 minutes right here. Yep. Oh, this looks nasty now.
Wow.
Keep dumping. There's the settle price of 78. And this is, where they can offer a decent bounce. They just absorb those late sellers. So if they can't crack this now, I think we have a chance to bounce this off of the settle price right now. I took this long here one. Yes, let's see. They're putting a new low here for the day. I mean, just don't fight it. They're going 65. It looks like they're gonna crack this, guys. This is the settle price right now, right at 78. Sellers really need to show up here right now. Should be offering a bounce here. Come on. Come on, boys. Give me 10 points and we'd be friends forever. 90.75 is the target. Stop loss is a 78.25, so. There it goes. We need him to crack this to 90.75 now to close this. If anyone took a long, I'm playing that. 3 points to make 10 points, right? I'm a trail here right now. But the bears are not really stepping away yet. Anyone long? We. My trail here, a little bit more. Tighten up here. Gonna reject here. I'm out. Now we sit and wait. Did it make sense? Why long? Why I get out? Are you guys following? Questions? No? Good.
So you went long off settle price and then got out. I got a rectangle at like 90 from, I got like,
Yeah, it's a big level, right? And it's also a 2-day value area high plus the weekly VWAP and the daily is rightly above, but I don't care about daily right now. The weekly is more important. Here comes that 2-day value area high. So if we got rejected above the 2-day value area high, now we're below it, testing from below. I'm expecting the bears to show up here, right? And if the bears crumble, then we know that they're rejecting the value inside of the 2 days. And that would change my perception on the auction again. But right now, this to me looks like potentially open reject reverse and then go to 65.25 level. And that's right now what I'm looking for. Hence why I went long, closed there, and short now at 88.5. So we need this stop right now. I took that short 88.5. Closed the long, flipped short. I want them to give me 65.75 on this, which would be pretty good, right? That would be about 23 points on this. Does it make sense why I went short?
Yep.
Okay. So now our friends need to slice this settle price, right? And then I think we're going to be okay. And I think they're about to execute it right now. Thank you, friends. Come on. We need initiative sellers to really step in right now.
Wait, Shorty, what's that 66.5?
That's a 2-day POC, 65.5. That's your
Or
2-day
65.
POC. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
2-day POC. But there's a lot of shit here. If you guys look at my chart. So look at the how much happiness they had here. So now if they lose this, it's a quick drop probably to 71, and then we get 65. So they're pretty happy trading inside here. They're not happy above, obviously twice. So I would be surprised if we don't test this today or tomorrow. It should be should be a crater of a candle, like a giant candle coming. Come on, give me that.
An additional 10% on China announced today will bring overall tariff to 20%. News brief.
We have bar and home sales in 10 minutes.
Oh, Bar speaking? Oh yeah, he is speaking. They're not in the black. Why do I think they're in a blackout? They're not in a blackout. We need that giant candle right here, boys. Come on. Thank you guys. Thank you in advance from the group. Beautiful.
Muchas gracias.
I could go to 65 from here, like really quick, where you guys don't even see it. And here it goes. Ah, don't do that. 65, please. They're gonna bounce at like 70, 71, like a little bit, and we just have to see how they behave there. But this is not over yet. Should be flying down now. Thank you.
Man, I took 5 micros. Man, those things pay.
Well, yeah, here comes, there's the level that we just talked about, 71, 75 should be a bounce, but somewhat completed auction. I don't believe that shit, but let's see. Unless they reclaim 85, I don't believe them. They're really trying to save this. And Q looks weak too. Anyone short? Still? No. Terrifying.
I am.
Here it comes.
Always short.
Here comes 65. Oh, boys, you're taking too long here. You have nothing stopping you to go to 65, and yet you're fucking neglecting the speed and testing my fucking patience. All right, there's a 70. 65 incoming. I'll be done for the day as soon as it hits. A little bit more, boys. A little bit more. 5 more points. Okay, that works. I'm trailing. 71. A little bit more. 4 more points. We'd be best friends forever. And I get to call it a day early. One more thrust. Come on. There it goes. All right, that's it for me. 65.5 to a penny. Next would be 43.5 for you druggies that still want to trade. It's gonna go
Nice,
lower.
thanks, Shorty.
Yeah. Yeah, everything's open right now for them too. If they can't reclaim this right now, everything's open for 49.5 around here. But this is where you want to tighten up, just FYI. If you're at a 2-day POC, they're most likely going to find some, I call them the fair buyers, but remember, this is a 2-day accepting prices lower. And if we can crack this PDL that we set up, then we go back to framing down, and that would be pretty bad for these boys. And it looks like they're gonna go now to 61.25. Damn, 61.25. Okay, they're listening. The next is 44. You guys are still short. You know, I have a runner, but this is looking pretty good so far. If you guys are not done yet, that's a problem, guys. So you can tighten up here a little bit, especially if they reclaim that 65, they're gonna get a bounce. They can probably go to 78 from there, but I wouldn't play that. I would want to play the extremes right now. They're telling you that we are in the 3-day balance. Do not fight them. Play with them. So you want to be a buyer on the extremes, right? And B period's about to start. I mean, this is a pretty big IB right now, guys. And you see the order right here that came in at the bid. If they lose, okay. So if they lose it, they're going to 50, but they lost it, so they're going to 50. 49.5 next. And if you're not following something, I think you have a good chance to ask me while we're trading live, as I'm calling you levels that they're gonna hit. Here's 50. I am on the runner right now. Pretty much, my God, yeah, let's go. Almost 30 points here, guys, on the runner. So we're gonna go right now to 50, right? And you want to be careful here on shorting, FYI. They're gonna hit right here. This 49, 48 area is coming within the next 15 minutes. I would not be short here. I will close your shorts here. I'll cut my runner there as well, meaning I'll trail very close. Is anyone red?
I just took one ME as short. I might come back later in the day after I see what they do and maybe
There's
take another
49.
trade.
There's 49, guys. This is a big fucking sell-off. We just need now. So this is where we are right now, just to make sure you guys are following. We're going to this level right now that we said 2-day value area low. Here's your 49. This is the level you want to be cautious right now.